What's up guys, it's me Jody from Dino's here in Westlake, Louisiana. First I want to thank all our customers from Westlake and surrounding areas for supporting us over the years. Right now we're busier than we've ever been and I want to thank y'all for that. But in this video we're going to show you exactly how we make our cinnamon rolls. Alright, let's get started. So you're probably wondering, how do we make those cinnamon rolls? Taste so good. Well, I'm gonna show you how. So I'm gonna start from this point. This is the dough getting mixed and getting rolled out on the table. So what we're gonna do right here, we're gonna try to get all the air bubbles out. So what we have to do is we have to take our roller and roll out the dough. We wanna try to get the dough even on all sides. We don't want an oddly shaped cinnamon roll. So what we do is we just try to use our entire table to spread it out. The next step here is we're trying to square the dough. What I mean by that is we're just wanting to get it more like a rectangular shape so that when we go to roll the cinnamon roll up, it's all the same size. The next step we try to do is we put lots and lots of cinnamon on here. We don't put as much as we do for like a fritter, but we try to get as much cinnamon on there because that's a lot of your taste right there. So we try to get it in there real good. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to get the shape, the finished shape of my dough so that I can get prepared for the rolling, the next step. What I'm doing now, this is going to be the middle of the cinnamon roll. So I'm trying to get a good little tight spiral right in the middle. But as I go, I try to loosen my roll. That allows the cinnamon roll to expand, because if I did it too tight, it would want to just expand upward and not outward. What you'll see is the finished product will be a lot wider than the way that I'm doing it here. So I'm going to use the pizza cutter that I have, and I'm going to cut that little excess off. I'm going to take that same pizza cutter and I'm going to try to seal the edge. I just use a hitting motion with the edge of the dough and the previous roll. Try to use my hands to get it sealed real good, because I don't want it popping open in the fryer. So now we have a good cinnamon roll here. I take it, I slice them into 1-inch pieces. You can do a little bit larger if you would like to. I don't recommend going any smaller because you want a nice soft middle. If you go too small, too thin, it's going to be crunchy throughout. So you want to have a nice soft middle. We'll let this rise in the proof box. I'm not showing that part, but this is the finished product. Time to cook. Now we let these things cook for about 45 seconds, probably about a minute actually, because you want the middle to be completely cooked. And through the magic of film, ta-da! It's nice and ready. Now the last and best part, time for the glaze. Make sure we get a good coat on that. Because there's so much dough, you want to have a nice film of glaze on it. Nothing too thin. So many people might be asking, where is Dino's Donuts? Well, it's here in this great little town called Westlake, Louisiana. Just search it on Google Maps It's not far off the Interstate 10, and we'll be glad to see you. Alright guys, so that's how we make our cinnamon rolls here at Dino's. We love the support of our customers. We want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.